sa school ko dati. Parang si LS. Ilagay sa kabila. Para kita tayong tatlo. O yung ate mo, wala exposure. Nakikita. Parang bumili lang ako ng burger. Ang bilis binigay. Hi guys, I just woke up from a nap. I made there's something refreshing when I eat salad, especially when I feel like I'm not eating healthy. It's raining over our house. This is what I'm having. Everyone, it's been such a long time since I uploaded a video, but to cut the story short, I'm here in Australia having my student visa, and it's been so tough for me in the past few months. I got lots of bruises on my hands, but after all that, all you need to do is just spoil yourself. I got myself a birthday present, a Christmas present, and a New Year present all in one. Finally have my iPad mini, my first ever iPad. I know that I've been longing for this since. And I also got Apple Pencil Pro. I love making digital arts, so even though I'm not really good at it, I want to practice more, and I think it would really help me if I bought one. So I got this and I'm so happy. So let's unbox it. Ayan. Satisfied naman ako. Nakikita ko, nag-e-enjoy ako. And I like how it blends. And hindi ko kailangan mag-saw-saw sa tubig para palitan. It's just hard, but I still like to do actual paintings. But I think digital art for me, yeah, it needs improvement, but I'm so happy.
Guys, good morning. I just woke up and I woke up a little late today. Na ako nakatulog kagabi and I feel like I needed more sleep, and very rare lang na kailangan kong bumangon ng late because work is usually in the morning, so I always wake up very early. So I took my time to sleep more, but we have an agenda for today and I have plans for this whole term break that I want to really follow.
Nandito tayo sa bahay ni Lanika. Madami pong naman.
Wow, overloaded. Pakita mo naman yung kwarto mo.
And this is my room, guys.
Tumatawag na yung jowa mo.
Bye, guys. So,
dapat yung ikaw lang. Dapat yung ikaw lang.
Sige na, ipachop mo na. Kainin na natin.
Ito nga lang tinitingnan ko eh.
So, nagutuman na po at kumain na nga talaga ng chicken dito.
ito na nun. Good morning! And today is my very first solo trip for the year. Hindi ako nag-celebrate ng New Year kagabi. It's my way of celebrating it. I really want to go on a solo trip. Take some pictures, unwind, relax. You know, go to places na ma-enjoy ko kahit ako lang. I think that's what I really need for this year. Sana walang tao sa pupuntahan ko kasi gusto ko talagang hindi ako mailang mag-picture and vlog. May nakasalubong pa tayo kanina. Parang gusto niya akong i-tour. Pero sabi ko, wait naman siya. And we had a small talk. But gusto ko mapag-isa. So we're gonna grab some breakfast. Breakfast dapat ako. But it turns out, they're closed. Since sarado ang cafe, we're gonna skip breakfast and just take pictures na habang wala pang still hot, so the sun is really harsh and it's hard to take pictures and no one's here to take me pictures, but I love the challenge, you know, proving myself that I can do it alone. So magutom tayo dito. So hagard-hagard na po tayo kasi mali tayong masakyan. Stop tayo dito sa mall, so feeling ko dito na ako kakain kasi hindi pa ako naglalakad. So may nakaupo dong matanda. Lumipad siya doon. Nakala niya kasi after ko saglit na ako mag-picture ito sa alis ko. Sorry be, ang ganda ng ilaw dito. Yung